So I'm Bernard Delage from Chateau Palmer, in charge of the development, what is mainly sales and marketing. And I'd just like to tell you some word about this new 2007 vintage. A very demanding vintage with a lot of work to do in the vineyard all along the summer. That has not been a very sunny summer. Some rain, but not that much. If you compare the rainfall with the previous 5 or 6 years, it's below the average. So no heavy rains, but a constant pressure of the mildew first, because of humid conditions, and a lot of work to homogenize the maturity. That means a lot of green harvest to choose the bunches we like to keep on each vine, in fact, in order to have something very homogeneous. So an extended flowering as well, coming to an extended veraison and a very extended harvest. We did probably the longest harvest at Palmer that we ever did. That lasted more than 4 weeks, simply because we had to be patient to wait for the full maturity that finally came under a month of September and the beginning of fall of October, that really saved the vintage with sunny and warm days, a wind from the east that definitely brought a lot of reconcentrate everything. And finally we picked beautiful fruity wines with reasonable level of sugars, potential of 12 to 12.5 alcohol percent, what is quite good, and very balanced wine. I think what the key this year in this vintage was to adapt the vinification, of course, to the style of these wines. What means not to concentrate the wines. We have kept the natural alcohol level to balance, to get something very balanced and in harmony with the acidity that is not very big, good enough but not very big, and the level of tannins that is also good enough, not very big again, 70, I think we are between 72 and 75 at Palmer, so it's a good level. And the overall wine is quite soft, in fact, ripe. There is no harshness at all. It's very ripe, very soft, almost not silky yet, but almost a little silky. Quite attractive, in fact. Very greedy also. It's the flavors are on the red fruits, and the wines are very greedy. So I hope we are quite, in fact, optimistic on the aging of this wine. As usual, the barrel aging will bring the final touch in terms of flesh of the wine, and well, we are quite happy, I must say.